that stretch. Arm towards the ear and across, keeping it close to the ear as much as possible. Keep them straight. You can see from this angle, she's stretching the upper back. Chest stretch. Arms out behind her, lifting her arms up as far as she can. Across the chest into the shoulders. That's the area we're stretching on this one. Without trying to lean forward, you keep your shoulders in line with your hips, try not to lean forward. This time the coach is lifting her arms up further. This is the PNF version. So if you try to push your arms down, coach is trying to resist so there's no movement. She relaxes and breathes in, and the arms come up, overriding the sensors in the muscle to get a deeper stretch. She'll do it one more time. Second time you probably don't get as much movement. Again, she's leaning slightly forward on this one, so the idea is to try and make sure her shoulders are above her hips. Okay, arms 45 degrees in a doorway ideally, stepping through past the doorway, stretching across the shoulder into the top of the chest. We see here arms are 45 degrees. Triceps. One hand between the shoulders, push back with the other arm. Make sure again you're standing upright, shoulders and hips are aligned, heads upright. As you can see here, hands between hands on the back of her neck, pushing it back, swap arms. Working the back of the tricep. Shoulder stretch. One arm across the other, keeping it straight, using the other arm to stretch towards the shoulder. Biceps. Keep the arm straight, push the hand back with the free hand to feel a stretch across the bicep. Make sure the arm's nice and straight. That one can be a little uncomfortable across the wrist, so as an alternative here, arms out to the side, then turn your hands back. She's going to do it one more time for us. Arms out, then rotate the hands back. Thank you to Kate and Claire for helping out with the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already to see new videos pop up. Hit the notification bell, or even hit the playlist up here and watch some more. And I'll see you on the next one.